Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix DirectX error Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix DirectX error Windows 11 validating the version. To start, enter the directx command in the search box. Click on Execute command. Here you can see the used version of DirectX on your operating system to confirm if you are using the latest one. Chapter 2. How to fix DirectX error Windows 11 installing DirectX. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click Download. When the download is complete, run the file. Click Yes. After that, accept the license of use. Afterwards, you can install the Bing bar or not. You are going to wait for the components to load. When doing so, click Next so that they can be downloaded. You will wait for the items to be downloaded. Now wait a while for all the DirectX elements to install. Chapter 3. How to fix DirectX error Windows 11 from Device Manager. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. After this, in the Processors section, you are going to right-click on the controller. Select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to validate whether or not there is an update. Chapter 4. How to fix DirectX error Windows 11 updating the system. To get started, open Start and click on Settings. Here in Windows Update, you can click on Check for Updates to check whether or not there are updates available for the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.